Who moves? Who moves? The little girl. Little girl, I need to ask you a question. How many little beans in this jar? Accepted. Oh, trial lang yun. Trial. Okay, next. Okay, Ares. You're the one to move. So here's your question. Just guess this one. How many beans in this? How many beans in this jar? Oh, make a guess only. 1, 2, 3, out!